Clear water maintenance for small or medium pools. Small pools, typically above-ground pools, round, and less than 16 feet in diameter are a cost-effective way, about $300, of staying cool in the hot, humid summer. Typically they are 4 feet, 48, deep, but really come up to chest height for most adults when filled. These pools are great for children because there is no deep end for them to accidentally slide into. Also, adults can easily walk around and help their children with the basics of swimming. Pools are a kid magnet, so expect to increase your outdoor time and entertainment budget accordingly. The sample is 15-foot round pool. 1. After adding freshwater, city or filtered well water, add 32 ounces, 1 liter, of liquid chlorine. 2. Add 10 ounces, 2.5 scoops, of sea pool mineral treatment. 3. Weekly add only 1 ounce, 1/3 scoop, of sea pool and 32 ounces of chlorine. 4. Clean the cartridge filter weekly. 5. Seasonal operating cost, sea pool, chlorine, electricity, about $120 including spare filter. 6. Drain and store the pool indoors. The sample is 27-foot round pool. 1. After adding freshwater, city or filtered well, add 5 liters of liquid chlorine. 2. Add 32 ounces, 8 scoops, of sea pool mineral treatment. 3. Weekly add 3 ounces, 3/4 scoop, of sea pool and 5 liters of liquid chlorine. 4. Use test strips to keep pH and chlorine parameters in check. 5. In hot, humid, peak summer weather with more people in the pool, add extra chlorine. 6. Test water for ideal pH and chlorine level. 7. Clean the cartridge filter weekly. 8. Run the filter a minimum of 16 hours daily. 9. Seasonal operating cost, sea pool, chlorine, electricity, about $200 including spare filter. 10. Add closing amount of sea pool, 16 ounces, 4 scoops. 11. Drain pump and filter and drain pool to below the return jets. 12. Cover the pool. 13. Next spring add 5 liters of chlorine and 8 scoops of sea pool. 14. Repeat above. For more detail, see 5 easy ways to maintain an above-ground swimming pool.